Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to unlock a hidden Canva feature, a secret pack of abstract frames that looks like a modern designs. First, just open your Canva and then create or open any designs and then just tap on elements, this one, and then just search for this code, this one, and then you will get the results like this. A collection of futuristic abstract frames like this. And then next you can replace the landscape area with any picture that you want. Just drag and drop your photo onto these frames and Canva will automatically fit it inside these abstract frames. And it's perfect for modern poster or digital art or maybe profiles, banner or minimalist photo collage. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.